Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Screencastify. Screencastify is a screen recorder for Google Chrome. It is only compatible with a computer. So the first thing you want to do on the computer is go to Google Chrome. When you open Google Chrome, it's going to open up a new page. You're going to type into the browser Screencastify. Then it's going to bring you up and it's going to say www.screencastify.com. That's the website you want to go to. It brings up the website and it says add to Chrome. So you're going to click add to Chrome. It's then going to say again add to Chrome. It says it can display notifications, capture content of your screen. You're going to click add extension. This is going to add it to your Chrome. It's going to load and it's going to say Screencastify screen video recorder has been added to Chrome. It says to get your extensions on all your computers, turn on sync. You're just going to exit out. So now you have Screencastify on your computer. So to get to it, you're going to click the little puzzle piece that says extensions, and you're going to see it's going to say Screencastify, and you're going to click the pin extension. So that means it can always be there as an option for you to open. So you're going to click pin extension. So once you click that, you can just exit. And then now it's going to show here Screencastify screen video recorder. So that option is always going to be there. So if you exit out and go into Google, back into it, it's going to load and it's going to show it right there. So when you see that option, you can click on that. And then it's going to say sign in. So you're going to sign in with your Google account. I want you to type in your password. And then it will load. And when that loads, it's going to say, please grant access to your webcam and microphone so that you can use them in your recordings. You're going to click enable mic and webcam. It says Screencastify screen video recorder wants to use your microphone, use your camera. You're going to click allow. And then it's going to say enable annotations. You're going to click enable tools. You're going to click allow. It says you're all set. You can close this page and start recording. So now you are ready to start recording. So when you open a new tab, you can just click the Screencastify icon and it will open up the Screencastify. In the next video, I will show you how to use Screencastify. Thank you.